Have you ever lost something really important? Maybe you've misplaced a toy or left your homework at home. When those things happen, it can be really annoying and frustrating. But thankfully, those problems don't usually last too long. But what if a superhero team lost their most powerful weapon? That would be pretty bad. And it's something the Power Rangers know all too well. Hi, I'm here with a special superhero story from the world of the Power Rangers. The Power Rangers are about to take on the evil Lord Zed, but they need their giant robot ally, the Megazord, to help them do it. But when they call for the Megazord, they get an error message instead. It turns out someone stole it, and now the Rangers have no way to fight Zed. They could use their individual powers, but without the Megazord, they just weren't strong enough. Determined to get their most powerful weapon back, the Rangers split up to search for clues. Jason, the leader of the group, wants to confront Zed directly, but the others know that's too dangerous. Not only is Zed powerful, but he'd probably destroy the Megazord before giving it up. So the Rangers come up with another plan. Trini, Billy, Zach, and Kimberly sneak around Zed's fortress, searching for guards who might have seen where the Megazord was taken. Meanwhile, Jason sneaks in alone, hoping to find the sword in Zed's throne room. At first, Trini and the others have no luck. The fortress is too well guarded. But then Zach remembers a secret passage he found earlier. The group sneaks through, avoiding a group of putty patrollers who look like they could use some fresh air. Then they spot some strange symbols on the wall. Billy recognizes them as a form of energy signature, meaning they lead to the Megazord. But there's a problem. They're locked behind an energy door that only the person who took the Megazord can open. Back in the throne room, Jason finds Zed, who's furious to see him. A battle quickly erupts, but Jason manages to hold his own until Trini and the others arrive. They activate the energy signatures, opening the door and powering up the Megazord. Just in time, because Zed calls down lightning, which would have killed them. But thanks to the Megazord, the Rangers are able to blast Zed and his minions away. With their most powerful weapon back in hand, the Power Rangers know they can defeat Lord Zed. But first, they have to figure out who stole it and why. After all, this is the same team who accidentally left their base open, allowing Rita Repulsa to spy on them. Maybe one of them did it to teach their friends a lesson. But before they can question each other, they have a bigger problem. Zed and his army are back, and they're more determined than ever to conquer Angel Grove. But maybe the Rangers don't need to fight after all. If they can bring back the Megazord, they might just have a chance. Can the Power Rangers stop Lord Zed and his army? You'll have to watch to find out. When the Power Rangers are feeling down, they know the best thing they can do is stick together. They might not be able to win every battle, but as long as they have each other, they know they can overcome any obstacle, even if that means facing off against a villain who stole their most powerful weapon. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this story, tell us in the comments below. We've got more exciting adventures coming your way, so stay tuned for more action-packed fun.